Hello everybody, this is Nora with NFQ57 and today I am reviewing for you Aifaifa's 37-piece gel starter kit. So let's take a closer look at the contents here. I am starting out with the buffer and it also comes with a nail file. This is a cuticle pusher, so you will definitely want to use that. Now this one here is a cuticle cutter. I personally do not recommend any use of those, okay? So here we also have some toe separators. And we're going to see what else is in here. It includes this little nano lamp, guys. Absolutely adorable. I have used these before many times. I have traveled with them. They're very convenient to travel. They do work, believe it or not. They do cure gel very well. And here's a set of the gel polishes. Also included, you have a dust brush, very cute and pink. The instruction manual, very important if you are new to a gel application. You can look through the instructions here and it will walk you step by step on how to use the kit. We also have some gel removal pads and alcohol pads to help you with the preparation. Now, taking a closer look at the lamp, guys, this is a 6-watt lamp. It comes with its own USB cord. No adapter included, so this is very good. And I do plug mine right into my laptop. And here you have 6 LED lights. I use this orange wood stick to pop these out. These tend to be quite tight in there, the little feet. You have ample space for 4 fingers at a time, and you may hold it. You may or may not use it with the feet, which is very convenient. Now you will have to unravel this, and like I said, I do plug mine into the lamp. I'm sorry, not to the lamp, but to my PC. That's where it plugs right in, and you have the on-off switch on the back as well. I don't have it plugged in yet, but here I'm going to demonstrate for you how you can see the lights come on. Like I said, 6 LED bulbs. And now let's take a closer look at the 4 polishes. And I say 4, but there's 6 bottles in here. We have 4 different colors, a top coat and a base coat. Like I say, everything you need for a full manicure. Here's your top coat. And it is a no wipe top coat. And I want to go ahead and leave you with the swatches of the colors, guys, and I will go ahead and meet you back. Now here are all the colors beautifully finished by that 6-watt lamp. Believe it or not, it cured the colors and the top coat perfectly. That pink between the blue and the peach, guys. Look at the shimmer. It has shimmer. All the others are, the other three are just a pure cream, and that pink has a little bit of shimmer with it. So that is all I have for you guys. Here are all the items that you get in this beautiful package available on Amazon. If you have any questions, please leave it below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Aifaifa for sending me this beautiful package to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.